Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Wednesday Walkthrough. Today I want to walk you through a new feature that just went live on Doma, Gasless transactions. So, no gas, no friction. If you're using a smart account on Doma, you can now execute transactions without paying gas fees. At the moment, this is live for Privy wallet users on Doma, with broader wallet support rolling out soon. So how does it work? First, go to the Doma app and head over to the Bridge tab. From there, enter the amount you want to bridge in, then take a look at the fee details section. And this is the important part. You'll see that the network fee on Doma is free for you. That's possible because the gas is being sponsored by Doma, so you can complete the transaction without having to worry about paying that fee yourself. It's a much smoother experience, especially for newer users, and it removes one more point of friction from getting started on Doma. And that's it. A quick walkthrough of gasless transactions on Doma. See you on the next WWW. Drop a like if this helped, and make sure you're following us on X so you don't miss the next update.